Bonjour les amis, j'espère que tout va bien pour toi. Voici les réponses pour le présent et l'unité 1 de la révision. Révision avec un R, accent aigu, très bien. Ici les réponses. Attention au verbe changer. You must keep the E when it's new. Remember that, please. Okay, let's go over this. Same thing here with partageons. One of the things you have to remember is a special spelling with ER present tense. One more time, CR verb with new. You have to keep the city here. We don't see properly, but in the reason we do that, it sounds better. Also, special spelling, double the L when it's ENT, double the T when it's ESENT. Here, this one here, you put the accent aigu to accent grave. You see here, accent aigu become accent grave when it's ending by E, ES, ENT. Anyway, that's about it for the first section. Let's go with the imperative. Same thing. If you know the present tense, you know the imperative. Same rules. You can see the special spelling for present tense. Well, you apply for the imperative. One thing I want you to remember is this. You must remove the S when it's the to form. Très bien. Allons à la prochaine page. Prochaine page est le passé composé. Avoir, participe passé, s'accorde. Sorry, I will go with in English. When it's avoir, your past participle agrees with your direct object if your direct object is placed before the verb. Très bien. Être, to be, it's with the subject. If I go too fast, remember you can touch the pause button. Très bien. Futur proche. Très bien. Aller, the verb, infinitive, nothing fancy here. Same thing with the next section here. Nous allons faire, vous allez dire, les garçons vont être. Quite basic. Very practical verb tense to know. Questions. Questions can be difficult sometimes to create, but try to remember the basics. Question word, verb, the noun in this case or the subject. Quelle est la couleur? Qui va nager? Qu'est-ce qu'il cherche? Avec qui as-tu dansé? Be careful here. It's passé composé. Now you must reverse the helping verb auxiliary with the subject. Très bien. Tomorrow on the quiz, on the exam, you will have to deal with this. Be careful. Some of you tend to forget can in your questions in French. Make sure you do write your question with can, and one more time with when you do an inversion, to make sure that you put puis, P-U-I-S, when you do the inversion. Très bien. Page 3. Page 3. Here are the answers, nothing fancy. Très bien. The next section, it's du de la de. When I review with you this week, I did not mention, I don't think, on the board de, but obviously it's when it's more than one. Example, this one, de puis est. De can be meaning of, du masculine, de la feminine singular, and yes, sometimes there's de et l'apostrophe, but in this case I don't have any example. Sounds good? Très bien. Suivant, you translate adjective possessive. Just be careful here with the adjective possessive. His dog, son chien, son livre sur son bras. Some of you say, oh, her harm, that you put sa. That's wrong. Make sure you keep with masculine singular. Très bien. Nothing fancy here. And the last part is the translation. Je sais, I know it's very difficult for you, but do your best. I'm going to be very flexible when I look at the translation. For example, if you forget this word here, I will still accept the sentence. But of course, if you forgot 5 things or words in your sentence, that would not be good. Très bien. C'est tout. Oh, let's not wash. Ne nous lavons pas. The reflexive pronoun goes before. Très bien. And to finish, you must translate that because I think it's a very, very important sentence. Très bien. Bon, j'ai assez travaillé. I work enough. Make sure you're ready for tomorrow. Au revoir.